welcome to another Learn and Save video brought to you by the project team here at Save Money Cut Carbon. Today we're in the heart of Lincolnshire and a really exciting project, one of the largest LED retrofit projects in Europe. The client, Lincolnshire Herbs. So let's go inside and take a look. We're joined by Paul Bailey, the Managing Director of Lincolnshire Herbs. So Paul, thank you for allowing us to come in and tell the saving story of this project.
First of all, welcome to Lincolnshire Herbs. We grow living herbs from seed in pots. Our retail customers are Ocado, Morrison's, Asda, Lidl and Aldi. As you can see, we're going to be quite a big consumer of energy, whether it's through lights or through heating. So we looked at what we could do to mitigate those increases. The LED lights give us a better quality product. They basically give us summer all year round. As well as better quality, we'll get a better yield, so bigger products and also a better throughput because the plants will grow quicker than they used to in the winter. We're targeted and monitored by all of the customers on what we're doing on sustainability, whether it's collecting rainwater or what we're doing about our carbon footprint, and obviously this is going to make a big impact into that.
Obviously you selected Save Money Cut Carbon as your project partner from the first kind of need.
What we really wanted was a one-stop shop that could do all of that work for us. That could find out the best ways of getting the rebates back and the best ways of getting the lights installed. We're just literally at the time now where we're switching the lights on for the winter. We're already seeing a reduction in the energy usage.
Fantastic, Paul. Thanks for talking to us today and thanks for inviting us in.
No problem at all. Glad to be of help.
Now we're joined by Kerry Earle, the technical manager here. So Kerry, welcome. This is quite specialist LED, isn't it? It actually does more than just reduce the energy bills for the organisation.
So what we have found through the use of LED is that it's given us a better energy. That means that their plants are able to grow a much better, stronger root structure. We also end up with a much bigger leaf canopy, so it's more value for money for the customer. So we can actually produce a summer quality product all year round, even in the depths of winter.
So it's a big operation at a big site. So we're going to talk now to Nick, the Operations Director at Save Money Cut Carbon, and Dale, the Project Manager on this site. Tell me about this gantry. I've seen this. This was obviously made specially to get this project, in and running.
So we had to build, with our installers, a cradle to hold their existing gantry on so that we could actually access the luminaires themselves. The far end wasn't too much of an issue because we couldn't actually lay this on, so we could get it to ladders, but this section was specifically tough.
So in this case, you had to build a unique gantry just to get the product installed. Can we take a look at one of the new LED lights? So 2,928 of these special lights, and we can see on here the different coloured LED chipsets that gives this effect. And in the distance there, you can see the lights, some of them flashing as they start to be commissioned and brought up ready to start their work in helping the herbs grow. Thanks guys, great to speak to you, to have a look at the lights and to understand some of the real challenges in working in this huge and quite unique environment. And the last thing I get to do is to present Lincolnshire Herbs and Paul, the Managing Director here, with their Net Zero Hero Award for making this project happen. Paul, thank you very much for choosing Save Money Cut Carbon, and thank you for being a Net Zero hero.
Thank you very much.